Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Twitter lag on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Go to app library. Here click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Twitter lag on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.